Hello sa inyong lahat. Andito kami sa Maon Shan Seaside. Dinala ko yung alaga ko. Magpipiknik kami. Nagdala ako ng tent. Kaya, pagkain namin. Kadarating lang namin, magbibuild pa lang ako ng tent. Ayan, magbibuild kami ng tent ng alaga ko. Automatic lang yung tent namin.
Oh, one here.
Oh my God! My phone!
What
My phone! Yeah.
You move this pole and then get some sand in it.
Yeah, it's
And then
okay.
and then your phone will...
Ayan. Ready na ang aming tent. Para hindi pa rin. Lagyan natin ng ganito. Lock.
Oh, Vicky, look.
What's that?
There's two shells.
Two shells. Wow! It's a twin shell. Kain tayo. Ito ang baon namin ng aking alaga. Snail. Tsaka chicken feet. Tapos ito yung paborito niya.
I want steak.
Tapos ito yung paborito niya. Minced pork. Steamed minced pork. Tawag niya dyan steak.
And also
Tapos
octopus.
ito may mga stacks. Yes, octopus. And my chicken feet.
Yes.
And my muffin. And what is this? What is this? Sushi and
Sushi
Coca-Cola.
and Coca-Cola.
Whose Coca-Cola is that? Is that your Coca-Cola?
Yes.
You like Coca-Cola, right?
Yes.
Look at your teeth. Ayan, let's eat! Tara, let's!
Yes. Tsunami.
Kain tayo!
Do a brain rot.
Eat, siguro siya.
I didn't know we'd still a brain rot escape tsunami.
Ito yung aking snail. Sapto eh. You like our food? Hmm? You like your steak? Hmm. Makunat. Ang aking chicken feet. Tuwang-tuwa yung alaga ko. Nakagala siya.